Do-it-yourself investing with a single OTP. Don't you wish there was an express counter that let you quickly pick the mutual funds you want to invest in and offered you a super fast checkout experience? The HDFC Bank SmartWealth App allows you to do just that. Simply search for your chosen funds and decide if you want to invest a lump sum or as SIPs. For lump sum investments, just enter the amount, and for SIPs, enter the amount, select the SIP start date and number of installments. You can add multiple funds to your cart and invest in all of them in one go with a single OTP. Yes, it's that simple. At any time during the SIP tenure, you can pause your SIP for up to 2 months or stop it as well. Plus, you have the freedom to resume a paused SIP whenever you choose. Still not sure where to invest? The HDFC Bank SmartWealth app makes it super easy for you. Details in the next video.